Hello, it's Tina, back in part 2 of our new vibe. We're creating this new look Strange but Cool. So, if you can see, we've added in a bit of merchandise. We've gotten this sorted out. We have our seed project sorted out here, though it needs to go into the room, but we're not quite ready there yet. And we have placed cabinets, and this one's empty right now, but it's going to contain and hold vintage handbags. But what's important is what we've done on the top here. It's symbolisms up here for me, very personal. It talks about my late father. When he would come back in the evenings, he would listen to Tchaikovsky. He would have his single malt with 2 cubes of ice, and then he would light up his cigar. So as a little girl, that frame of images was what I grew up with. So I was taught how to appreciate a good cigar. I was taught how to be discerning about single malts. And it was all through my late father. And my mother, and I blame her, she started the vintage handbag craze. So this is a little bit of my story here. So there will be another video to come to show you exactly what it's like when we have finished this. So like us, comment on us, subscribe to our channel, and it's Tina here, still in the process of re-merchandising, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ta-ta!